I'm Dr. Yiliang Cheng, and I'm assistant professor of enology at the Department of Viticulture and Enology. And as a wine chemist, my team is really focused on wine sustainability and also wine chemistry to help the local industry at Central Valley. The first thing when we define a good quality of wine, we always think about the balance. So like the different taste, different mouthfeel, structure. For example, like the perfect balance between sweetness, bitterness, and also the sourness, or we call acidity in wine. Because when the wine, the lack of acidity, the wine will taste really fluffy. It's not really appealing to consumers. We all heard a lot like the global warming, climate change. That is like definitely change the grape quality. For example, the acidity is pretty low at harvesting. So we want to using something more sustainable and also more naturally to increase acidity. And now people like from the industry for the conventional way, people adding tartaric acid into the wine to bring up their acidity. So we are wondering maybe we can recycle the green grapes. They are naturally high in acidity, for example, tartaric acid, malic acid. So we want to recycle that one, crush them into juice, and then adding the juice back to the wine. That can naturally increase that one. So firstly, we avoid some waste, and secondly, we naturally improve the quantity in wine. We care about each other, we care about our environment. We hope all the generation after us can keep enjoying the wine with more sustainable way. Because we're working on like the practical research, the main thing is we don't want to only do something for lab scale. We always want to scale up that one to be eventually benefit the wine industry over here. Because we hope the final result can really explain something for the real world, can solve the real world challenges. And another thing is we appreciate the opportunity we can receive from the wine industry. That's a really excellent opportunity we can train our students to be ready as the next generation.